to another episode of India Roundup. My name is Paloma Quadras, and today we have the top stories from the world of business. India Inc. experts welcome RBI announcements. The Reserve Bank of India on Thursday announced a loan restructuring window for corporates following the demand from bankers and the industry. Last week, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that the government is working with RBI on the need for restructuring of loans to help the industry tide over the impact of COVID-19. Bharti Airtel partners with Amazon to grow cloud business. Bharti Airtel Limited and Amazon Web Services announced a strategic collaboration agreement to develop the Indian telecom firm's cloud business, allowing it to offer a wider range of products to enterprise clients, the two companies have said on Wednesday. Airtel Cloud currently provides data center and cloud services to companies and governments via different partnerships. The public cloud service market could include a host of new services from data analytics to security services in India, and is expected to be worth $7.1 billion in 2024, according to the tech researcher International Data Corp. Here's what Indians have been spending their cash on during the pandemic. With months of lockdown, Indian consumers have changed some of their bad habits for healthier ones, as spending patterns reveal just how deeply concerned they are with protecting their health and warding off boredom. Some new routines look likely to stick, and some companies stand to gain a lot. Companies such as Dabur Indian Limited and the Himalayan Drug Company are witnessing high demand for traditional products like Chyawanprash. It's not just healthy immunity boosting products, but also comfort foods that have seen a surge in sales. Products that won't go stale, such as breakfast cereals, instant noodles, rice, and cooking fats. Mahindra reviews all subsidiaries for business returns. M&M is reviewing all its subsidiaries under the scanner to see if they meet the threefold criteria of 18% return on equity, clear profitability, and strategic importance. These include the overseas subsidiaries, North American automotive operations, and non-core businesses here in India. M&M's Deputy Managing Director Ashish Shah said many subsidiaries are showing strong growth and signs of a turnaround, but those that are not strategic will be exited from the group. Regarding the Indian green business of electric vehicles, the company is planning to invite strategic partners and raise funds as it expects growth.
When business is on your mind, you are on our mind. Sarovar Hotels and Resorts.
Minespace Real Estate Investment Trust up 12% on stock market debut. The company's shares opened at Rs 304, well above the IPO price range of Rs 274 to 275, then rising to a high of 308 before closing at Rs 304. Minespace's market value currently is Rs 18,020 crore. The REIT is backed by Blackstone, the largest real estate investor in India. Gujarats New Policy seeks to woo industries looking to relocate. The Gujarat government announced its new industrial policy to boost job creation and create an innovation-driven ecosystem, inviting companies to shift operations in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The policy envisions spending Rs 8,000 crore annually on industrial development. The policy offers capital subsidy and tax incentives to industrial units. The state has taken a bold decision to de-link incentives from the state goods and service tax, with up to 12% of fixed capital investment to be given to large industries for setting up manufacturing operations in Gujarat in the form of capital subsidy. Also, industries will get exemption from electricity duty for 5 years. Solar rooftop projects will be encouraged, as well as other incentives for industries and micro, small, and medium enterprises. Tata Motors to drive in foreign partner in Indian passenger car business. Tata Motors has commenced operations to induct a foreign strategic partner in its Indian passenger vehicle business by transferring the unit to a wholly owned subsidiary for Rs 9,417 crore. They are in talks with multiple automakers, among them European and East Asian, to sell up to 49% stake in its Indian passenger vehicle business, which accounted for 4% of the Tata Group's turnover in the fiscal year 2020. This move comes 12 years after Tata Motors acquired Jaguar Land Rover from Ford for $2.3 billion US. India says iPhone maker 21 firms pledge $1.5 billion US investment. Samsung Electronics Company and Apple Inc.'s assembly partners are among 22 companies that have pledged $1.5 billion US of investments to set up mobile phone manufacturing units in India. Foxconn Technology Group, Winston Corporation, and Pegatron Corporation, all iPhone assemblers, are among companies picked to make smartphones under a production-linked incentive plan. The move could boost the value of phone output to 11.5 trillion rupees in the next 5 years. As per the plan, the government is offering a financial incentive of as much as 6% on incremental sales of goods made in the country for a period of 5 years. It also promises that an incentive of 25% on capital expenditure will be provided for production of electronic components, semiconductors, and other parts. The incentive step is part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for a self-reliant India, aimed at boosting local manufacturing and reducing dependence on imports. Joining me today, do like and subscribe to our channel. Till we meet next week, stay safe and take care.